Aircraft launching off the bow of an aircraft carrier have wind over deck requirements in order to safely fly away from the boat. However, thunderstorms have both updrafts and downdrafts, either of which could potentially be catastrophic to an aircraft departing the bow. The captain of the ship and the shooters in the bubble and on the flight deck are all being very careful, looking at the weather instruments on the boat, making sure that the storm has actually cleared and the up and down drafts have gone away before we launch the aircraft off the bow. Aircraft launching off the bow into an unexpected updraft or downdraft could potentially experience their instruments getting thrown off, getting kind of weird, and then the aircraft potentially impacting the water. So the heavier you are, the faster you go and the more G's you pull. Generally, as far as how many G's we pull during a catapult shot, it'd be somewhere between 3 and 4 for about 2 to maybe 3 seconds.